Also happening in St. Joe, their main square continues to expand with the town's first ever gun shop. The store, simply called The Gun Shop, is owned by Guy Hubler, who moved to St. Joe from the Metroplex just a few months ago. He says he will have everything from handguns, rifles, shotguns, both new and used, to all kinds of items like swords, armor, axes, and military collectibles. Hubler has wanted to open a gun store for some time now, and after 6 months of renovations, the grand opening is just right around the corner, and he's excited to bring something new to St. Joe.
Employment for others, tax base, and it's historic. Chisholm Trail, the Artillery Museum that's here, a lot of restaurants opening up, so there isn't a gun shop here or any place that sells firearms, and I'm pretty sure there would have been anyway, so I'd rather be first than second or third.
The grand opening is expected in April, with a soft opening planned for the end of the month.